Hey, McCartney, what's in the box?
Only the future of smartphones, my friend. Open it.
The new Pixel 9 phones?
Yep.
Well, they certainly have a magical quality about them. Check these out.
Now, apart from the good vibes coming off them, what do you think of that all-new design?
It's sleek, it's modern, it's great. I'm loving Pixel 9's polished glass back and matte metal finish. And this soft touch matte back on Pixel 9 Pro feels amazing.
The smooth curved edges make them ultra comfortable to hold to.
Plus, they're made with recycled and durable materials, so they're beautiful to look at and a sustainable choice.
Now, let's not forget about Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL are the same Pro phone, but in two different sizes. The Pixel 9 Pro XL's 6.8-inch screen is perfect for those who need more screen real estate, like me.
What's on the inside is important too, though. The Pixel 9 phones have Google Tensor G4, Pixel's most powerful chip yet.
It's built to run advanced AI, so you can have cutting-edge features that help make life easier.
Like Gemini, your built-in AI assistant. It's seamlessly integrated across multiple apps to help you brainstorm new ideas, make plans, find precise information, and summarize content.
Now, if you find something while using Gemini that you'd like to refer back to later, you can use AI-powered Pixel screenshots to save it.
Google AI intelligently assigns a title and organizes the memory.
Then you can easily find that information later just by asking naturally or browsing in the app.
Cool. The Pixel 9 phones also have new camera features, making Pixel Camera better than ever. Add Me seamlessly adds the photographer into group shots, so there's no more being left out.
I'm looking forward to that. And Magic Editor now lets you expand the background of photos or recenter your subject with autoframe.
You can also restyle backgrounds just by typing a creative prompt with Reimagine.
Now, for video gurus, Super Res Zoom Video is coming soon to Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. It offers incredible 20x zoom even in low light. What a game changer.
So there you have it, the Pixel 9 phones. A powerhouse combo of stunning design, groundbreaking AI, and the amazing Pixel camera.
Now, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pixel goodness.